Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, so that's gonna be our target up that way, and then we're gonna walk like this, and now you can see the dragon, and so you can see the. We're actually gonna be walking up that way in a moment. That's so this is not our street either, Palace de Maya, but we are gonna go up here briefly. But yeah, those tall buildings in the background, we'll see it from up here. I'm gonna come up. Actually, this whole little space was just for me to show off this little Carmo lane, and there's a Venetian casino in the background there. So that's our target street. Okay, you can see all the people waiting out the rain over there, but oh, the bus just blocked it. But we're on a street called Rua de Cunha, and we're gonna go up these steps and go over there behind these buildings right here. And I'll kind of show you this dragon right here on the side, and then this is where we're going to be coming out of, which is this Taipa village area, and it has a lot of people going down this food street right here. So I think what we're going to do is start down that way and give you a context of where we're coming from, and then we're going to come back, go up these steps over there, and then highlight some of the stuff up there that you might not know is there, and then I'll label the street accordingly. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we are going to come back. I'm going to show you that dragon over there in a moment. But before we even go up, this is a food street. So you can see all the people who walk up and down here looking for something to eat. And there's lots of different restaurants, Portuguese restaurants, famous bakeries, beef au pau, all kinds of stuff. And then down here you got other alleys. You got like a Thai restaurant. You have quite a few Portuguese ones down here as well. And way in the background you can also see the Galaxy Casino, if you can see through those buildings. But actually all that is not our target. Our target is going to be going up this hill on the other side of the bus. And there's some kind of cool streets up there too. Some Portuguese drinks and such. Portuguese flag on the wall. Okay. So our first step that we're going to do is, let me just kind of show you some of these little alleyways too. So you got these little alleys like this, ice cream shop to the left. And this is a characteristic of Taipa village, all these small little pedestrian friendly alleys that you can explore. We're going to be going up there in a moment. And you also have this dragon right here too, right? Okay, so that's going to be our target up that way. And then we're going to walk like this. And now you can see the dragon. So you can see the feet, the scales, flowers. And this is this little park where a lot of people are waiting out the rain. Okay. And next what we're going to do is we're going to pass this sometimes busy one-way street, but not so busy right now. And we are going to go up this way. There's Galaxy Casino all the way to the gold building. That's a Kenya guy right there. And what we're going to do is go up. And then you can see some of the artwork already. Let me, so that was our kind of little tourist area right there. And then in the distance you can see some tall apartments. We will give you some better views of that as well in a moment. Let's go up. Okay. You got some rooftop restaurants right here. And this is called Casada do Quartel. Quartel is like barracks. Casada is like sidewalk. And We're actually going to be walking up that way in a moment, but I'm just going to give you a little bit of a preview of this direction first. But you can see more kind of tourist stuff. Old Town, cigar club, burger in control, coffee shop right here, Sengpan. It's quite pretty, and you can see a lot of cool artwork too with Sao Paulo ruins on the wall. And then of course these ones, and they have a rooftop, so you can also sit up at the rooftop, get some nice views. But actually that's not our focus either. Our focus street is up a little bit further. You can see Galaxy Casino over there as well. Galaxy Casino is huge. Those tall buildings in the background, so this is not our street either, Palace de Maya, but we are going to go up here briefly. But yeah, those tall buildings in the background, we'll see it from up here. I'm going to come up. And I think you'll get a better view from this space. So those tall buildings in the background, that's all Taipa Central. And it looks like you can see some rooftops right here above Deutz Vintage and Old Town. They got rooftops as well. And then over there, there's a lot of rooftops in this area, so you can go up and enjoy. That one's all a rooftop as well. Okay. So our actual target street is actually going to be on the other side, on the corner of this building. Calçada do Quartel. So we're going to actually walk down here, and then this will basically connect people to the casinos, like the Venetian Casino and such like that. There's a school up here, Dom João Paulino, and now we're at our target street where Carmo Hall is at. So yeah, so actually this whole little space was just for me to show off this little Carmo lane, and there's the Venetian Casino in the background there. So that's our target street. It's right next to Carmo Hall. And then up above on the street, and I have filmed this in other videos, but this one's actually going to be Carmo Lane. And Carmo Lane is basically the way to get to the casinos from Taipa Village. So if you go up there, there's a nice church, but actually I'm just going to highlight this street, name it accordingly, and kind of give you a context of what's around here. So yeah, this one's going to be called Travessa do Carmo. And that's actually our target street right there. Travessa do Carmo. There's a Carmo lane next to this Carmo, and then I think it's also called Carmo Church up at the top as well, which we won't be able to view because that would be another video altogether. But before we go down, here's a little Bahia de Nos, our Senior of Waiting, Esperanza, Our Lady of Waiting, like a Catholic reference. And I think that street goes all the way down, I think. I'm just going to come to the corner and just give you some context to everything. So now you can see that this is this little Carmo Lane connects you to all these casinos down here, like Venetian, and there's all kinds down here. And then this particular street that goes down, there's Peacock Station, the train line station goes down, and then you have the street name of this particular street that goes down. You have some other stuff up on the hill, and I better just I better get back to my target. But over here is Taipa Grande, which is a mountain. You can take an incline, you can overlook all of Taipa from up that mountain over there. There's a church up behind this that you can't see through these thick trees. There's some green Portuguese architecture, walls. There's a continually different array of like artistic exhibitions that they do here, often with a nature basis. There's that green and gold is Galaxy Casino, and then this is an outdoor escalator that just, or moving sidewalk, so that just moves people from this area to the casinos. And on that note, and let me see, there's Peacock Station, and then you have Taipa museum houses right here, Our Lady of Carmo Church, the temple, Carmo Hall, Rua de Cunha, which is where we started at. And so yeah, the Carmo Church would be up on the hill. And we could go in different ways, but this was where we will end our video because we came from over there. And that would connect you to here. All right. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.